Hello boys and girls, today we're going to do a fun little directed drawing of this leprechaun. So get your supplies together. You're going to need a pencil, maybe a black marker, some crayons, and we'll get started. Okay, so to draw this fun leprechaun, we're going to start with a curved line for the top of the hat. You can see about how much big it is and how wide it is. And then we're going to make two slight diagonal lines. They're just very slightly diagonal. So what happens is it makes the hat a little bit smaller and skinnier towards the bottom. Then we're going to take a very skinny oval. And then a rectangle and with the smaller rectangle inside of it for the belt on the hat. You want this belt on me hat. And then a line. These lines curve up a little bit so that it gives the illusion that the hat is a little more three-dimensional. Next, we're going to do a U or a half a circle for the head of our leprechaun. Now we're going to make the leprechaun ears, and we'll make them kind of pointy, give them that kind of elfish look. Now when doing the hair of the leprechaun, I'm going to start right by this hat right here, make a little bit of a jagged line on each side, a little bit of a zigzag line. Now we're going to come under the ear, and it's going to come down, and maybe another jagged line from each side for the rest of the beard. To make the face, I'm going to make my leprechaun winking. So I'm going to do a nice upside down U or kind of rainbow shape with the curved line under it. A small oval inside of it. Now for the wink, I do a little U or curved line with some eyelashes. A curved line for the nose. And I like to do a little side smile. Those are my favorite kind of smiles. Now to do his body, we're going to start with a nice big circle. Coming right off the beard, make sure they're connected. And then a little triangle off this side of the beard and a triangle off that side. This is going to be the collar of his jacket. Okay. Now at the bottom, we're going to make another one of those big rectangles with a smaller rectangle inside of it. And then a curved line for the rest of the belt. Here and there. Now we're going to make a line coming from the collar on each side to show part of the jacket. Now for the arms, we're going to make right at the top of this circle, we're going to have a line that curves down on each side. Okay. And then a horizontal line that goes side to side to finish them off. And then a rectangle that goes a little bit wider off each side. And now we're going to do a little rectangle here for that side of the jacket and a little rectangle here for this side of the jacket. And then we can make a little curve from each side for the hand, and you can throw a few lines for some fingers. Now for the pants, we're going to make two vertical lines that come from the jacket, a horizontal line that goes across, a vertical line down the middle, and then two ovals on each side for his feet. How fun is this leprechaun? Now we're going to give him a little ground line, some grass. I like to do a little jagged one, but you can certainly just do a straight line. And you can even add like a pot of gold if you want. Like this is where you can really get creative. Maybe do a rainbow over him, however you want. You can also do that with color. And there you have it, your own little leprechaun drawing. I hope you enjoyed today's directed drawing lesson, boys and girls, and have a great weekend.